FMS is proud to present our 2014 Quarter 1 release containing new programs, program enhancements, and program modifications to the Focus Financial Suite of applications. These enhancements were designed to improve the functionality of the system. Many of these changes and enhancements are a direct result of client feedback and input. We thank those clients who shared their ideas with us. We look forward to providing you with even better solutions in the future. Today we will focus on the accounts receivable printing of corporate name and address on the AR statements instead of the company name and address. The release info complete documentation was emailed out in April 2014. If you need to receive this documentation or did not receive the email at all, please contact the FMS support desk at 1-877-435-9400 extension 2 if you need another copy. For clients using the Windows installed client of FMS GUI, FMS strongly recommends switching to the Java interface. The browser-based Java client delivers the same screens and programs but does not require end-user workstation updates. The Java client also uses the same levels of secure data encryption. To access FMS GUI Java client through your site-to-site VPN, simply enter the FMS IBM server address 172.20.112.62 into your web browser address bar and click on Application Login. The Java client is also available through the FMS portal under the Applications tab. Contact FMS Application Support for more information. If you still prefer to use the Windows installed client, navigate to the locations below for documentation and updated software. The course materials will be available upon request. The prerequisites for this course will require access to FMS GUI and the security credentials provided by the FMS Help Desk team, access to the Accounts Receivable module, and also the Accounts Receivable module in FMS should already be in use by the client. Our objectives today will be to provide understanding of the setup process and usage for replacing the company name and address with the corporation name and address on FMS generated accounts receivable statements. FMS has improved the Accounts Receivable module's functionality to allow clients to print their corporate name and address on their statements instead of the company name and address. This will improve the payment processing side of accounts receivable to ensure customers make their payments payable to the correct entity. This new functionality is also applied to accounts receivable invoices. For setup, the Remit To address must be selected for each corporation used for printing on AR statements. From the General Ledger main menu, choose the Company, Corporation, and Store menu, and then choose Corporations. Edit a corporation and choose Work with Addresses. On the Select Corporate Address screen, highlight an address and click on Remit To. This will place the RM flag next to the selected address, and this address will be used on the AR statements. As you can see, the top address was highlighted and Remit To was clicked, and it placed the RM flag on the right. The second part of this setup requires you to navigate to the Accounts Receivable main menu. From there, choose the AR Master Files menu, and then choose Customers and edit a customer. On the first page of the Edit AR Customers screen, in the top right-hand corner, there is a new field labeled ADDR CORP for Address Corporation. Users may prompt for a list of corporations on this field, or you may type it in. Choose a corporation number. That's it for setup. For usage, any new statements or invoices printed will now show the assigned corporation's name and address. Note, this functionality will only print the corporation name and address on the AR statement. It will not filter out invoices that do not equal the selected corporation. AR invoices from Corporation A could still print on a customer's statement when the customer is assigned to print Corporation B's name and address. It is up to the client to create multiple AR customers if a customer buys product from stores across corporations. For more information on this, please contact the FMS support desk at 877-435-9400 extension 2. Please contact me with any questions or concerns. My extension is 1405, or you can email me at chrisn@fmssolutions.com.